Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Xylem app not opening. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Xylem app, then tap on app info option here. Once you tap on app info, then here you will see so many options. So simply tap on storage usage option on the top, and here first clear the cache, then clear data, and then tap on OK. Now the cache and data has been cleared, so close this option and open Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS, and tap on search option in the bottom, and then tap on search bar on the top, and here type Xylem, and now OK. So here you will see update button option, so simply tap on update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue of stopping. Hope this video will help you. Thanks.